So now I am going to show you how to make pure culture from already existing culture. So I have culture from the nares in the blood agar plate and the feet and the fingers. I'm interested in actually looking at the bacteria which I suppose to be Staphylococcus aureus that has made the beta hemolysis. So I will actually take the culture with the loop, and then I will do the pure culture by strict plate method. So many of you were interested to look at the loops. So these are the metallic loops you can see over here, and these are the ones, and those are the plastic loops. I'm not going to use the plastic loops. These are for other times I can do that, but since I have the fire, I have the metallic loop, let me use this one. So uh, what should I do first? First, the plate where I want to do the culture in the DSA plate, I actually marked it that one is from the skin I want to do, and another one I want to do from the over here from the feet, that is from the Staphylococcus aureus that I am supposed to grow. So I marked the plate in 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I marked it feet and I gave the date today. So now I'll show you how I am doing the pure culture technique. Okay, so I opened the seal because this was environmental sample, and here is Staphylococcus aureus is growing. Okay, so I'm going to take the culture from there. So first I should sterilize my metallic loop. So in the fire I'm trying to make it red hot. Can you see that? I'm making it red hot. Okay, so a little bit more I'm just heating to sterilize it. Okay, so now I'm taking it out and uh, cooling it down so that it doesn't kill the bacteria from where I'm taking. So looking back at one more time, and I want to take this one, so I took it. Now in the quadrant 1 I am streaking in a zigzag pattern. Okay, once it is done I will sterilize it, and I'll remove the existing plate or the previous plate because I don't want to do any mistake, because I don't want the previous plate anymore. The blood agar plate I don't need anymore. So I'm sterilizing it completely by making it red hot. Okay, now it is cooling down, and make sure that you cool down enough, otherwise you will kill the bacterial cells. Okay, maybe you can count 1 to 10 seconds, and then I have to take it out and see. I will drag the infection from first quadrant to second quadrant. So in a zigzag way I will do this. And have you noticed that I didn't go back? I just do the zigzag thing down and just taking it out, taking the loop out. Now sterilizing one more time, making red hot. So why I'm doing that? I'm sterilizing in between the quadrants to actually dilute the bacterial population so that the bacteria got spread out and we can get the individual colonies from single cell. So again, from second quadrant I will actually go to the third quadrant, making sure that I'm taking from the third quadrant and doing the zigzag thing. Okay, now I am hitting this again, sterilizing this, and expecting that I will get the clones in third or fourth quadrant. Okay, so cooling it down enough, counting like 1 to 10 seconds so that I don't kill the bacterial population when I'm dragging, because now they are really I'm really thinning the population. So now from third quadrant I will move to the fourth quadrant. So this is the third quadrant bacteria. Now I'm coming to the fourth quadrant and I'm spreading it by streaking. Okay, that's it, done. I have to sterilize it and then my work will be done. And I have to remember that I have to keep the plate like this. Okay, thank you.